Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market has opened, and right after the market opening, we saw that DXY is coming down for retracement. But we should not forget that there was no such big news during the weekend, so as a result of which the market sentiment is still the same that we discussed on Saturday. So if you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video on Saturday and upload it on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you guys again. So let's get started. So market is open, and as you can see that right now DXY is standing at 102.61. This is the current market price, and hopefully after some retracement DXY will be recovering again. So where is the retracement level? We can expect some support or retracement level around 102.40. So if DXY takes support and bounces, it will be heading towards the next level of 103.30. So these two are the levels for DXY. Hopefully this is just a retracement, not a complete trend reversal. And if we look at the chart of Euro USD, so as we can see that DXY is going down, so as a result of which Euro USD is also trying to recover. But we know the market structure very well, that the market structure of Euro USD is not very positive, and so this is just a retracement. And in this type of market situation, taking a sell position is always a safer option. So where are the sellers located, okay, or resistance? So as we have already discussed on Saturday, 1.0905 to 1.0912. This is the strongest resistance on the chart of Euro USD, where we can expect the market to face some selling pressure. If market goes up and reverses from 1.0905 1.0912 level, we can definitely look for some selling position. But right now we can see that there is not much volatility, and right now the market does not have much strength also to hit the level of 1.0905 or 1.0912. So in this situation, you can also keep your eyes on 1.0880 or around 1.0885, around this level, not an exact number, around this level. So you can see that I have already marked the level with a black line here. So during the day, okay, keep your eyes on this level. Maybe at one point DXY will make a bottom and will bounce back. So when DXY will be bouncing, okay, look at the position of Euro USD. If you see that DXY is showing recovery again, DXY is bouncing again, and if you see that at the same time Euro USD is standing around 1.0880, you can also look for a sell position. This is a better sell opportunity than this one, but considering the present volatility of the market, you can also look for a sell around this level as well. In case you miss the opportunity, or if market shows a big sell and somehow you fail to take a sell position around these areas, then you can also look for a sell. You can also look for a sell below the level of 1.0840, 1.0840. Around below this level also you can take a sell if you miss to take a sell around this level. But make sure that your sell is a quick sell, okay, because you can see the market structure is like this. So obviously at one point market will be going up again, and as we have already discussed in our Saturday video, that the best support on the chart of Euro USD is around 1.0805 to 1.0790. This is the best support on the chart of Euro USD during the day or tomorrow. If market hits the level, then obviously we can expect a bounce. If not a complete trend reversal, at least we can expect a bounce of 25 to 30 pips. So if you see the market is taking support, market showing price rejection from below, you can definitely consider taking a buy position around this area. But right now, as a day trader, I will simply suggest you guys to look for sell opportunities only, okay. for day traders only, because we can see that the right now the present structure of the market is not very positive. Market is forming lower lows and lower highs. But if you're a swing trader, positional trader, then that's a different chapter. Obviously your strategy will be different, but for day traders, taking a sell is seems to be a safer option right now. So that's all from my side. And guys, as you'll already know, that after 2 days, only 2 days left for my Hindi workshop. So if you really want to take up trading a serious source of income, if you really like my work and you want to know more about the market, learn about the market, you can definitely consider joining the workshop. Okay, I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English. So from day after tomorrow, okay, the Hindi workshop will start. It's a 3 days workshop. After that, you'll also receive support for 1 month. Yesterday, I have explained all the confusions and details, all the questions on a separate video. Yeah, and if you have any questions, please watch the video that I uploaded yesterday. Otherwise, if you simply go to my website, you'll find all the answers here as well. Okay. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care.